Good morning, students. Yes, good morning, students. Again, we will take our chapter arithmetic progression. Today is the last lecture of arithmetic progression. So, the last two questions are left. I think 5.3 exercise, and I'm taking now the 19th question of your NCERT book. Listen carefully. First, I am reading the statement and you listen carefully. You will open your notebook also and book also. Page number 114. The statement is, listen, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row and 19 in the next row, and कुछ फुट के जो लॉग्स पड़े हुए हैं, पहले 20 जो है वो फर्स्ट रो में है, देन उसके ऊपर 19, देन 18. These logs are kept like this. That how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are at the top row? Yes, student, in the statement it is given 200 total logs are stacked together, are kept together. In the first row it is 20, number of rows are 20, and number of logs are 20, and in the second row it is 19, and in the third row it is 18, and so on. And total number of 200 logs are kept such like you have to find at the top row how many logs are there, you have to find, and total how many rows are total rows bhi kitni hai you have to find. So total number of logs which you have to kept 200 logs you have to kept, and the number of rows are not given, and in the first row the log kept 20, then 19, then 18, and so on. So this is forming an AP 20, 19, 18, because the difference every time it is 1. So your first term in the question is 20, and the common difference is A2 minus A1, that is equal to -1. And in this question you have to find two things. One is the number of rows you have to find, and number two things you have to find, the how many number of logs at the top row, how many number of logs at the top row. सबसे जो टॉप रो होगी उसके ऊपर कितने नंबर ऑफ लॉग्स हैं, one thing you have to find, or the first thing you have to find how many rows are there, total कितनी counting में rows बनी है. So how you will find total number of logs means Sn is given, you have to given total number of logs are 200. Now you have to write down the formula Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, in this question what you have given, total number of logs are 200 and n is not given here, you have to find, and number of rows you have to find in the question, and a first term is given in the question 20 plus n is not given, and d is given here -1. Okay, you have to put all the values which are given in the question. Now when you transfer 2 here on the left hand side, it become 400, and when you multiply 20 into 2, it become 40, or when you multiply n with -1, it become -n, or minus plus 1. Okay, so when you multiply it, it become 400. I am writing at the top. Now you multiply it, 200 into 2, it is equal to 400. 400 equal to n ब्रैकेट में 40 plus 1, that is equal to 41 minus n. So 400 equal to 41n minus n square. When you transpose 41n minus n square on the left hand side, the sign are changed. Plus 400 equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. N square minus 41n plus 400. Now you have to solve this equation. N square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. You need that you consider any two number, their product is equal to 400. आपका प्रोडक्ट तो आना चाहिए 400 और मिडल टर्म you need minus 41. When you multiply, I consider two number 25 into 16. When you multiply these two number, the product is equal to 400. And when you add, here I am writing minus 25 and minus 16 here because you need the plus 400. Minus multiply with minus, it is equal to plus. And when you add minus 25 plus minus 16, because you have to see the sign also. When you add minus 25 plus minus 16, it is equal to minus 41 also. Because the middle term you need minus 41 and product you need 400. So I split the middle term here. Minus 41 को आपने split कर दिया minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equal to 0. And when I take out n as the common factor, n minus 25 and minus 16 also I have taken as a common factor. So in the bracket here left 400 divided by 16, it is equal to 25 and plus minus. When I take out minus from plus, there remains the minus. Because when you multiply minus with minus, it is equal to plus, and when I take out minus from here, the one minus is one negative sign is left. So n minus 5 is the common factor here, and in the bracket here it is left n minus 16. Now you have to equate these two equation equal to 0. आपको ये दोनों इक्वेशन किसके इक्वल करनी है? 0 के इक्वल करनी है. n minus 25 equal to 0, it is also equal to 25. And n minus 16 equal to 0, n equal to 16. Now the number of rows are 25 and 16. But what is the right rows? You have to find. How you will find the number of rows are 25 or 16? You have to put it in the these are the number of rows 25 or 16. But which is the correct answer? The number of rows are 25 or 16. You have to put ANF term, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Because in the question it is given, because you have to find the right number of rows which are the right. So when A is equal to 25, when the number of rows are 25. So your first term given in the question, AP क्या form हुआ था? 20, 19, 18 dash dash dash. First term is 20. And when the number of rows are 25 and common difference is minus 1. So 20 plus 24 into minus 1. So 20 minus 25 minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 4, because the number of rows at the top row पर negative में तो number of logs नहीं हो सकते ना. So it is not possible कि number of rows आपकी 25 हो. So we have to put in place of now 16. Now हमें क्या put करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर n की जगह? Now I will show here 16. So then first term is 20. So 16 minus 1 into minus 1. So it is equal to 20 plus 15 into minus 1. So at the top row, we have to find how many logs are there. So at the top row, there are 5 logs. यहाँ पर visible नहीं है. So I am doing here. Again, I am doing a 16th term you have to find. So first term is 20 and n is given here 16 minus 1 and d is given here minus 1. So 20 plus 15 into minus 1, that is equal to 20 minus 15, that is equal to 5. So at the top row, there are the number of logs are 5. क्योंकि अगर हम 25 नंबर ऑफ रोज लेते हैं, देन एट द टॉप रो, तब टॉप रो पर कितने लॉग्स आ जाते हैं? -4. दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि नंबर ऑफ लॉग्स आपके नेगेटिव में जाएंगे. सो आपका जो 25 नंबर ऑफ रोज है वो तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? नॉट एलिजिबल. तो आप क्या लोगे? नंबर ऑफ रोज जो हैं वो तो आपकी 16 आ गई, और एट द टॉप रो द नंबर ऑफ लोग्स आर 5. आपको दोनों चीजें इस क्वेश्चन में फाइंड करनी थी. एक तो कितनी नंबर ऑफ रोज हैं, द नंबर ऑफ रोज आर 16, और एट द टॉप रो द नंबर ऑफ लोग्स आर, you have to kept number of logs are 5. I hope you understand this question. Again, I am repeating. In the first row, the logs are kept 20, and then in the second row, it is 19. Then in the third row, it is 18. So this is AP is formed here. First term is 20, and the common difference is -1. And the sum of the logs you have to arrange. 200 logs you have to arrange. So SN given in the question 400. You have given in the question SN equal to 400. So you have to write down the formula of SN term n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to put this formula and find the equation. Your quadratic equation so formed is n square minus 41n plus 400. Now you have to consider two numbers because you need the product 400 and the middle term you need -41. So I consider two numbers 25 and 16. When I split these 41 into the 25 and 16, by adding these two numbers -25 and -16, I get -41, and by multiplying these two numbers, I get the product maybe 400. Product is 400. So I get two roots, n equal to 25 and n equal to 16. So I have to now find which the number of rows are correct here, 25 or 16. So I put both the numbers in the ANF journal form. So at the top row, -4 is not possible कि number of जो top at the number of logs जो हैं आपके negative में होंगे. It is not possible. So I put here 16th, A16 equal to 20 plus 16 minus 1 into -1. That is equal to 5. So number of rows are 16 and number of logs at the top row, that is 5. I hope this question is now clear to you. Now we will take the last question of this exercise. First, see the picture which is given in your book. That is the picture that is given in your book. In a potato race, एक potato race में a bucket is placed at the starting point. एक bucket place की गई है starting point पर. Okay, and the distance between the potatoes, that is total how many potatoes are there? 10 potatoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then I'm doing here 8, 9 and 10. You have to take the straight line. So I will start it from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these 10 potatoes are there. Okay, and first distance is 5 meter and the other distance is 3 meter. बाकी सारा डिस्टेंस जो है 3 मीटर का है. ठीक है, ये मैं डैश डैश लगा देती हूँ. एंड in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. First potato से जो distance है bucket का, that is 5 meters. Okay, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. और बाकी जो है 3-3 मीटर के डिस्टेंस के ऊपर ये पोटैटोज जो हैं प्लेस किए गए. ओके, देयर आर 10 पोटैटोज इन द लाइन. टोटल लाइन में ये एक ही लाइन होनी चाहिए. टोटल लाइन में 10 पोटैटोज रखे गए हैं. एंड अ कॉम्पिटिटर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बकेट. एक कॉम्पिटिटर जो है बकेट से स्टार्ट करता है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट अगर उसने बकेट से स्टार्ट किया है तो पहले वो यहां से इनिशियल पॉइंट से यहां तक आएगा. देन पोटैटोज पिक करेगा एंड पुट इट इन द बकेट. तो इट मींस फर्स्ट टाइम कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, पहले यहां से स्टार्ट किया है. दिस इज द इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड ही गोज फ्रॉम दिस. ये डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय हिम, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय हर 5 मीटर. देन गो बैक, फिर वापस जाएगा बकेट तक. तो कितना डिस्टेंस, पहले 5 गया और फिर दोबारा वापस बैक किया. तो 5 + 5, it means first time the distance covered by the girl is 10 meter. Okay, and again at the second time he take the distance 5 + 3, 8 and go back again. 8 + 8, that is equal to second time the distance covered by the girl is 16. Again 5 + 3 + 3, 5 + 3, 8 + 3, 11 and to first time. How I will by yes student, yes student, I have taken the last question of this exercise. In a potato race, one girl start from this bucket. This is the initial point. And the potatoes, total potatoes are there, 10 potatoes are there. And the distance between the first potato is 5 meter. Then 3 meter के distance के ऊपर potatoes पड़े हैं. So we have to first form the AP. How we form the AP? The girl start from here. Bucket से यहाँ से start करती है girl. तो वो distance कितना cover करती है? यहाँ से पहले bucket एक potato को pick करने के लिए 5 मीटर उसने distance यहाँ से यहाँ तक cover किया. Then go back and put the potato in the bucket. So first time distance covered by the competitor 5 मीटर आना, मतलब कि पहले जाना और फिर वापस कम बैक करना. 5 + 5, so total distance covered by the girl 10 meter. And again at the second time 5 + 3, एक बार 5 मीटर + 3 मीटर, 8 मीटर. तो पहले वापस पोटैटो पिक करने के लिए, सेकंड पोटैटो पिक करने के लिए पहले गई और फिर वापस कम बैक किया. तो 8 × 2, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया, 16 मीटर. सो थर्ड टाइम कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, थर्ड राउंड में 5 + 3 + 3, 5 + 3, 8 + 3, 11. और फिर वापस कम बैक किया, पोटैटो को वापस लेकर बकेट में पिक किया, डाला. तो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, 22 मीटर. सो दिस इज फॉर्मिंग एन एपी. 10 16, 22, ऐसे वो जब तक पोटैटो सारे के सारे पिक नहीं हो जाते, वो सारे के सारे बकेट में डाल नहीं देती है, तब तक उसने ये डिस्टेंस जो है total how much distance she has covered you have to find, and number of potatoes are there 16. So you have to find the total distance which was covered by the competitor. You have to find in the question. So first term is given in the question 10, and the common difference is A2 minus A1, that is 16 minus 10, that is equal to 6. And you have to find the total distance, how much distance covered by the total distance covered by the competitor, you have to find how much total distance she has to cover. So S16 equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, in the question you have given n is given here 16, 16 upon 2, and a is given here 10, and plus n is given here 16, and the common difference is given here 6. So how you will find the solution? 2 8 जा 16, 8 ब्रैकेट में 2 10 जा 20 प्लस ये 16 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 15 into 6, 15 into 6 90. सो ये आपका क्या आ जाएगा 8 into 100, सॉरी एक मिनट, यहाँ पर कुछ मिस्टेक किया हमने, तो ये हमारा आई विल चेक इट अगेन. योर difference, first term is 10 and the common difference is 16 minus 10, that is equal to 6, and n by 2 plus यहाँ पर आपका 20 plus 16 minus 1 into common difference is 6 here. 16 में से 1 subtract किया 15 into 6, that is equal to 90. And where I have done the mistake, I will see here first. To pick up the first potato, the distance covered is 10, and to pick up the second potato, the distance covered is 16. So how we will find it? 10 upon में 2. यहाँ हमारा कितना दे रखा है नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स जो है, क्योंकि 10 पोटैटोज, सॉरी यहाँ पर टोटल कितने पोटैटोज थे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोटैटोज जो थे वो 10 थे. ठीक है, तो ये 2 5 आपका कितना आ जाएगा 10 आ जाएगा.